To fix an oven that's not turning on gas, start by inspecting the oven igniter, which is responsible for lighting the gas. Locate the igniter and check for any physical damage. Turn on the oven and observe if the igniter glows. If it doesn't, detach it and test it for continuity using a multimeter. A weakened igniter can prevent the gas safety valve from opening, as the valve only opens when the igniter reaches the ignition temperature. If the igniter is faulty, it needs to be replaced. Next, check the gas supply and safety valve. Ensure the gas supply to the oven is connected properly and not turned off or blocked. Detach the safety gas valve and inspect it for physical damage. Then test it for continuity using a multimeter. The reading should be less than 5 ohms if the safety gas valve is faulty. It's recommended to have a trained professional replace it. The control board, which manages the oven's electric components, should also be inspected for signs of physical damage. Although diagnosing control board defects can be challenging, any visible damage will require replacement. If the oven still doesn't turn on after these troubleshooting steps, it's best to contact a trained technician for further diagnostics. By following these steps, you can potentially fix an oven that's not turning on gas.